This is a global capital hub weaponizing smart city infrastructure and 0% income tax frameworks. But behind the glittering skyline commercials and high-end beach clubs lies a sharp contrast, a premium real estate divide built into a severe subtropical desert. Eliminating a personal tax bill does not equate to receiving free capital. The math is far more ruthless. Auditing the UAE as a financial deployment. On this global arbitrage swap table, you trade high Western taxes for tax immunity, inheriting hyper-premium rent. For lower income tiers, these upfront living costs act as a barrier, consuming the exact capital intended to be saved. Relocating to this matrix is a calculated business decision. Its effectiveness scales strictly based on your starting capital. This institutional machinery is driven by state hydrocarbon monopolies and multi-billion-dollar financial free zones, such as the DIFC. The state leverages these centralized, heavily backed corporate structures to fund automated public services without touching the earnings of its residents. This allows them to offer the core incentive, a 0% personal income tax on all salaries, wages, and remote creative earnings. Elite foreign quantitative analysts, software architects, and corporate directors operating here command net monthly packages between $6,000 and $17,000. The macroeconomic design is deliberate. It shifts state revenue away from personal income, extracting capital instead through premium consumer spending and luxury real estate. Accessing this wealth vault begins at a biometrics-driven border gateway. Dozens of Western passport holders receive immediate, visa-free tourist entries for brief 30 to 90-day stays. The residency decision tree starts with the remote work visa, requiring foreign contracts of $3,500 monthly. Clearing this grants legal zero-tax anchoring. The elite 10-year Golden Visa requires a $545,000 real estate investment, granting absolute independent residency. The visa architecture acts as a filter. It divides the incoming global expat population between temporary remote labor and permanent anchored capital. Navigating the daily living costs starts with the currency. The UAE dirham is locked under a strict fixed exchange parity directly to the US dollar. Baseline urban food costs run from $10 to $25 for a fast casual lunch inside a commercial business tower. The true financial pressure points materialize in the housing market. Basic studio flats located within developing secondary sectors command $800 to $1,200 a month. Move into the prime skyscraper blocks of Dubai Marina or downtown, and that baseline rises. Fully modernized one-bedroom apartments breach $3,200 monthly. Factored on top of this are high chiller fees, mandatory building cooling utility bills that inflate standard rental contracts. The mathematical reality is that for a remote worker earning the baseline $3,500 minimum, committing to prime rent and monthly chiller fees can erase the 0% tax advantage. Beyond the ledger, operating here requires adapting to an arid subtropical desert defined by extreme heat switches. The prime window for an outdoor lifestyle runs from November to March, with temperatures holding between 18 and 26 degrees Celsius. From May to September, daytime heat routinely reaches 48 degrees Celsius. The outdoor environment goes silent, shifting life entirely indoors under constant air conditioning. To combat this, the state deploys extraordinary infrastructure, running flight grids that shoot specialized salt flares into passing cloud layers to force rain over the plains. Navigating the environment also means operating under strict societal framework, governed by judicial enforcement and thousands of connected AI surveillance cameras. The direct operational payoff is the safety record. Violent street confrontations and property thefts are statistically near existent. Solo creators can leave $5,000 of technical equipment unattended on a cafe table with total peace of mind. You trade seasonal weather confinement and behavioral compliance for high levels of physical safety and consumer convenience. To calculate the final ROI, this quadrant chart plots monthly income against true disposable wealth retained. For the bootstrapping remote worker, operating between $4,000 and $8,000 a month, deploying into this environment is a critical financial error. At this tier, you trade a Western tax burden for a Middle Eastern cost of living burden. For an elite software architect or high net worth founder clearing $25,000 monthly, the UAE is a definitive, highly optimal deployment. At high capital levels, the tax immunity absorbs the premium lifestyle inflation, leaving large margins of untouched capital. The UAE operates as a premium vault designed to protect and accelerate wealth you have already built, rather than a location to bootstrap new ventures. Behind the engineering feats that house the tallest man-made structures on the planet lies a precise and calculated deployment of capital. Would you baseline your remote creative operations inside a hyper-surveilled, zero-tax desert wonderland? Let us know your strategy in the comments below. Now, we are moving out of the desert and heading toward the historic maritime capital grids of Western Europe. Next stop, the United Kingdom. We will audit its financial vaults, legacy corporate structures, and rain-swept rolling hills. Subscribe to maintain your strategic edge and stay real.